That morning, I was in a hurry. Everything felt late. I woke up late, ate fast, and checked the time again and again. My mind felt loud, and I kept telling myself that I must not be late. I ran to the bus stop with a fast heartbeat and short breath. When I arrived, the bus was already there, but it was not moving. People were waiting. Some were standing and some were sitting. Everyone looked tired. I got on the bus. It was full and people were close to each other. There was little space and I stood near the door. I looked at my watch, but the bus still did not move. Minutes passed. 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. The bus stayed still and I began to feel angry. I wondered why this was happening that day. People around me sighed, checked their phones and complained. The noise grew, but the bus did not move. My body became tight. My shoulders felt stiff, and my hands felt tense. I was standing still, but my mind was running fast. Then I noticed an old man sitting near the window. He was very calm. He was not looking at the time or his phone. He was simply looking outside. After a while, the bus finally started moving, but very slowly. Traffic was heavy. Cars stopped, moved, and stopped again. My anger returned. I wanted the bus to go faster and the road to be empty. I wanted time to listen to me, but it did not. I looked at the old man again. He was still calm. He watched the trees and the people outside. Then he smiled. I wondered how he could be so calm when we were all late. At the next stop, the bus stopped again, and more people got on. Someone pushed and someone complained, but the old man stayed quiet. I felt tired. Not in my body, but in my mind. So I tried something small. I stopped checking the time and took one slow breath, then another. I looked out of the window and saw shops opening, a child holding a bag, and a dog sleeping near the road. The world was moving slowly. Something inside me changed. My anger became softer. My breath became deeper and my shoulders relaxed. I understood something simple. The bus was slow, but my mind did not need to be fast. After some time, the bus reached my stop. I got off. I was late, but I felt calm. As I walked away, I saw the old man get off too. He walked slowly and did not rush. I wanted to ask him something, so I did. I asked how he was so patient. He smiled and said that he learned long ago that rushing does not change the road. He said that when he fought time, he lost peace. But when he accepted time, he kept peace. Then he walked away slowly. That day I was late, but I learned something important. Patience is not just waiting. Patience is how you feel while waiting. Now, when things move slowly, I remember that bus ride, the old man, and I remember to breathe. Life will not always move fast, but we can move gently inside. You cannot control the road, but you can control your breath. Take a slow breath. Be patient with this moment. It is teaching you something.